We found the ultimate escape into nature. Welcome to the great Yorkshire forest, Dalby Forest. Let us take you on a journey if you're just visiting for the day or here on holiday. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're at Dalby Forest, which is located in North Yorkshire near Pickering, and where we stayed at Cliff Farm Caravan Park, or it's Cliff Farm Holidays. So this is somewhere you can bring your dog, your family. There's loads of stuff to do, not just walks, mountain biking, all sorts. And just here there is Go Ape, which is zip wires, climbing things and all that sort of stuff. So here we have Go Ape. As you can see, just there's all this sort of stuff for climbing and zip wires, so loads of activity you can do. And there you go, just ideal for dog walking as well. So guys, today unfortunately Caroline is not with us. Her knees are playing up, so I've come for a walk with my son, who I don't think wants to be on camera. But say hello, Kyle.
Hello.
So again, you've got all these different routes you can walk. They're all colour coded, aren't they?
Yep.
All your routes. And it's levels of how hard or easy the route is. Gives you a good workout as well, walking around here. So. They've got quite a few of these zip wires, haven't they?
Yeah. And they're open in the summertime.
Yeah, I don't think I've been up here when I haven't seen this before. I mean, I don't like heights, so you wouldn't get me up there. And I assume like you go on that platform and zip wire off. Or yeah, that would be a zip wire, wouldn't it? I mean, who would want to walk across that? You gotta be bonkers. I don't know if you can hear, guys. I don't know if you can hear the birds singing.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. So as my son's just pointed out, this is the place you can come to clear your mind, have a nice walk. And there is a cafe, isn't there?
Yep.
There's a nice cafe which we'll have a quick look at. Maybe grab a sandwich and definitely a coffee.
Food review.
Food review. But just look at that, guys. So Dalby is a dark sky area as well. So they have a couple of stargazing astronomy pods, and I think it's Scarborough and Rydale Astronomical Society that run up, so they sometimes do events up here. So just to give you something a little bit extra. We have of a deep, dark forest. What's that up there? So we're just having a walk. So this is what the amber route, I think. So Kyle, they've got different routes up here, and they have routes for cycling and walking or hiking. Now we've gone, the amber route is quite an easy route, is it?
It is, yeah, and it's about 5 kilometres as well.
So about 5k, which isn't too bad. However, you know, just be wary if you have any mobility issues, knees, hips, things like that. It will take a toll on you. However, there's plenty of places to come and sit and just relax without doing these big walks or hikes. So they sort of provide everything for everybody, really, don't they?
Yeah.
If you've got mobility issues or not. Nice little cafe, information centre shop. You can, you know, sit around there. There's little picnic areas, all within an easy walk from the car park. So, sort of bits and pieces for everybody, really. And this is in this area. There's lots of caravan camping parks and sites. Obviously, if you go and see our video on Cliff Farm, and Thorntondale. So basically, Thorntondale's about a mile from here. There you go. There you got a nice picnic bench. So, you know, you've got plenty. Especially if you've got a dog or anything, or kids. There's plenty to do here. And as you can tell, I'm a bit out of breath because we've just been up a hill, which my son has informed me wasn't that steep. So guys, parking here, there's plenty of parking, and it is pay. Well, it's not pay and display, is it?
No.
So I think when you come in, there's barriers, and it scans your number plate, I assume.
Yep.
And then you pay for however long you've been here. So typically, how long are you here for?
A couple hours.
Couple of hours.
About £6.
About £6, so not too bad. And obviously, those fees will go towards the upkeep of the forest, etc. So the Forestry Commission. Is this actually a national park now?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah. It looks like they've done some forest management here, and they've got saplings growing.
Well, actually, interesting detail. There was a sign around here. The way they planted the trees is in the shape of an eye.
Oh, is it?
And this is like the eye of Dalby.
Ah, that's good. Has somebody got fires, or is that
That's
the mist? So guys, as you can see, the routes are all laid out. So you got your cycle routes there, no motorbikes. And this route, Housedale Rig Trail, is suitable for mobility scooters. Bit of logging going on there. Safety first, keep off the log stacks, good advice. Although as a kid I would have probably climbed on that. So guys, I'm going to put a link in the description for Dalby Forest, and on the website there's all the things you can do here. For me, it's a 10 out of 10 place. My son loves it, comes with his wife, and they bring their dog up here, and they do all the harder routes because they're a lot younger than me for a start. So they do all the different routes, and then the dog loves it as well. I would suggest good walking attire, hiking boots or something, or a decent pair of trainers, because it is quite muddy, can be slippy, you know, and it can be uneven underfoot as well. So I'd suggest a good pair of walking boots. Don't come in your best trousers either, or anything like that, because again you'll get muddy. You know, a lot of people obviously wear shorts and stuff. The dog's enjoying the walk. What happened there?
Oldest tree.
Healthy termites. You can sort of see where there's been wind damage as well. We've been up here where the trees have actually fell, haven't we? So guys, just one thing to be wary of when you're walking along these tracks. Bikes fly absolutely down the road. So we had 2 bikes just fly past us, which you've just seen. They've gone. They did give us a warning, didn't they?
They did, yeah.
They'd shout a warning. But if you got your dog off the lead, you know, you've got to when you're walking, just make sure you got your wits about you. Not only is there cyclists, but there's also wildlife as well, deer and whatnot. Yeah, the route we're on now is a cycle route as well. But it's all good fun. Adds to the walk. Adds to the excitement of the walk.
Absolutely.
Oh, fair enough. Oh, Alicia's still there. So guys, these are the observatory pods I was talking about. And this is where they do stargazing, but also solar gazing. So, there's the dark sky discovery site. And when stargazing live was popular on TV, I was actually part of the group and we did events here. And there we have the information centre and toilets just through there. You've got a pay and display or pay for your parking there. And then the price is crash. So we're now going to go and find somewhere to have a cup of tea or a coffee. So you've got a bike hire centre here. And there's toilets over this way and a cafe. And a cafe just down there. Right guys, that is the end of the video. Just a short video, and this is in Dalby Forest, which has plenty of camping, caravanning and holiday places dotted around Pickering, this area, Thornlandale, Cliff Farm where we stayed. So if you look at our past 2 videos, Thornlandale and Cliff Farm, you'll get to see this is just really an extension of those videos of what is available right on the doorstep, especially if you're the adventurous type. You like your biking, your walking, your dog walking, all that sort of stuff. It's a nice little place to come. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And please subscribe, it's absolutely free. So try it a bit.